Yes, there is a movie. I talked to Viva and I said I don't want to do anything politically. I don't want to do anything politically just yet, though there are many offers of doing some biopics and stuff like that. Parang hindi naman, parang isang demanda lang at a time. Parang gano'n ang iniisip ko. Parang isang demanda lang muna.
Dahilan, kaya ayaw na ng political other...
Yeah, it's exhausting, ma'am. I find it very tiring. Plus napapabayaan ko yung iba kong commitments. Like sa showbiz, I have a contract with Viva at nagiging mabait lang sila sa akin. Pinapayagan nila akong mag one movie a year lang kahit hindi naman yun ang kontrata ko. So, I guess I have to re-examine myself also. I'm a social media content creator way back 2018. They gave me a break. And Boss Vic never ceased to remind me na pinagkatiwalaan ka namin, you should deliver. Nung nagsisimula ka pa lang, sabi mo hindi ka mapapagod sa ganito. So, may sumbatan portion. Pero,
Slight.
may ganun. And I don't think naman na they will make me pahamak. And honestly, though it's part of the case, it was Boss Vic who made Pigel the Pepsi to me. Parang mga 3 times niya akong pinagsabihan and all. But the rascal in me really nanalo eh. So ang sabi niya na lang sa akin, this time you listen and so yun, I'm very excited to do my first horror after this.
Sino artist naman?
Nag-iisip pa po eh. I'm doing a cultural horror eh. Of course, magagalit na naman yung part ng culture na yon, pero I'm trying my best to be accurate research and para din po maging at sometime magkaroon ako ng mas maraming kakampi kesa kaaway. Parang yun yung new, parang yun ang bago sa akin kung mangyayari.
Direct sadya ba yun na pag gumagawa ka ng movie,
May nakakaaway ka.
nakakaawa, nagre-react, or nangyayari?
Sa brand ko po kasi I have to be my brand is like that. I intend to provoke people. I intend to touch things that are not yet discussed, but to attack people personally or in a solo cup, wala po akong ganun. I just want to discuss things that are not yet that are still taboo to everybody. So ayun lang, I'm just wild, I guess.
Direct may plan na ba to do another film with Shadow?
After Revirginize with Mega, nangyaring election. Okay naman kami ng election. I posted nga on my wall na balato nyo na sa akin si Kiko because I love Mega. I'm not sure, pero I think we planned for a Revirginize 2 and I offered Shawi then a script that is entitled Mamafia. That's what I know. It was also offered to Governor Vilma. We had an initial meeting before 2024. Parang 2023, if my memory serves me right. And with Miss Maria.
Tatlo.
Opo, parang hindi ko na lang po alam kung sino yung nag-go. But I pitched it to them, to Shawi,
So meron na nag-go doon sa tatlo?
Opo, I'm not sure lang if the schedule permits. Parang yung schedule ko po and schedule din nila because I've been doing corporate things also.
Ano yan? Magkakasama silang tatlo
No po,
o isa lang?
isa lang po, mamimili.
Gawin mo
Mamimili
ng
lang.
tatlo, charot. Magastos.
Your personal choice mo talaga.
Ang gusto ko po talaga doon, Mamafia.
Bakit mamafia? Mama na mafia?
Yeah. Parang gusto niyang parang bawal kong sabihin. I think it's leaning towards Ate V. It's leaning towards Ate V.
Pero sabi niya, di ba, parang stop mo na.
Yes.
Oo.
Parang may health concerns eh. That's what I know. So, after saying that, the film kasi is very rigorous to shoot. It's mafia. So, same goes with Miss
Ayan.
Mary na hindi rin makatakbo and all. So I guess Shawi kay Shawi eh. Pero meron din po akong pitch sa kanila eh. I think Boss Vic is really parang ginaganon ako dito ka muna. Ito yung politics, ginaganon niya ako eh. Pinipitch niya ako sa showbiz eh. Parang ginaganon niya ako.
Gumaganon ka sa bahay.
Ginaganon niya ako, gumaganon ako, ginaganon niya pa din ako. So, ayun, I have stories for them. That's the last time. But I told Viva I wanna do horror and they said yes.
First horror.
This is my first horror. So I wanna try. Serious horror, no comedies.
Ano yan? Regular run? O
I think it will be a regular.
Kala ko dapat Halloween. Oh, fair.
Direct mo bang dream act or actress sa gusto may direct?